In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 35mm wheel spacers on your Land Rover. Let's go. Hub-centric spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are hub-centric. The center hole of these wheels is perfectly fitting the wheel hub assembly. Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. In the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.